For testing the measurement model, you have to check for the reliability and validity of the data. Reliability detects whether all items of each variable reliably measure the same characteristics. We normally use Cronbach's alpha test for that. It says all alpha values should be above the acceptable level of preferably 0.7, but also 0.6 is okay. So in order to do that, we go to analysis and then a scale, reliability analysis. And so let me show you. So we have to choose each of the variables that we want to check for the Cronbach alpha reliability test and move them to the right column. So here is my dependent variable, purchase intention, consisting of 3 items, which I choose, and then OK. So as you can see, Cronbach alpha is 0.8, which is a very good value. We repeat this procedure for other variables as well. So we put this back, and my next variable is food quality. If you haven't seen my previous video on factor analysis, please do so in order to understand why I would left some items of the variable behind. So one of my independent variables, food quality, is also acceptable, 0.8. Next one. Next independent variable is service quality, so I only have 2 acceptable items for that. Again, I refer you to my previous tutorial. So for service quality is below 0.7, yet it's acceptable, but 0.7 is a better value for Cronbach's alpha. But since we only had 2 items in this variable, it's not a surprise that the value is below 0.7. And then finally, my last independent variable, value for money. Cronbach alpha is 0.9. So overall, all of my variables show a very good internal consistency, and that's how we measure the reliability of the data. Now my data is reliable and I can move forward to test for the validity, which I will show you in the next video. If you like my tutorials, please use the bottom right corner to subscribe to my channel and watch my other video on further SPSS tests.